Hey guys, today we're back in another elimination game show. But anyways, let's get started. If I say all safe, Emma, Peter, Snowy, the twins Selena, Malia, Rosetta and Logan, so it means Shaker has been eliminated. Rosetta hand that elimination sign to Shaker. Okay, now let's start our next game. Okay, we're playing Huckle Buckle. Since everyone knows that game 2, then let's start. Huckle Buckle. Stand close together. Okay, Penny and Brody did last, then they're out. Huckle Buckle, say hello.
Hi.
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 Logan and Malia are out. Since I don't know what to do next, I'll choose a winner team. Team 2 should win. See, their team got in elimination 2 times.
Thank you so much.
Yay.
Team 1 has lost this round.
Oh my god, Penny, you were standing there when we're not going to Brody.
Calm down, girly.
Please stop, I didn't mean to.
Okay, that's the end of the game. Penny, since you made or team lose, then you need to hold this elimination sign. Okay, that's all for today. Comment down below who do you want to vote. Bye.